Hi, my name is Damien and I'm from CTM. I have the privilege to be your CTM product expert. And if you like laminate flooring today, then you're at the right place. Now, if you really like nature and you like the wood look element in your house, then our range is just for you. Come have a look what I have for you. This is my dark oiled oak laminated floor. It has these realistic grains within the laminate flooring, a detailed swirl within the floor, and it has a seamless flow through this laminated flooring. This is such a beautiful laminate floor to have. The nice thing is it's also 7mm thick, and you can use this laminate flooring in a living room area, in bedrooms, in passageways, and it will be really good to use. You can also have an underlay to it, which is very important, and you would really like even a warmer tone to it. You can put underfloor heating on this particular laminate flooring. So if this particular laminate flooring has catched your eye, please go to ctm.co.za, and please, if you do not know how many boxes you need, use our simple tile calculator and it will calculate the square meters just for you. And all we want to do is add it to your cart, because we want to bring this inspiration to your doorstep. Thank you.